How to position a Details button inside a card while keeping modal logic in parent component. The problem. In a React and TypeScript project, you have a CardDetail component representing a card and a DetailModal component rendering a Details button and modal logic. Currently, the Details button appears below the card because the modal logic and button are rendered in the parent component, CardList. You want the button to appear visually inside the card, example, bottom right corner, without moving modal logic into the card component. Why this happens? CSS positioning like position, absolute only works as expected if the button is within the card's DOM hierarchy. Since the button is outside the card in CardList.tsx, CSS positioning fails to visually place the button inside the card. Attempts to import card styles in the list component or to force positioning also fail due to this DOM separation. The best approach, use a callback to communicate from card to parent. Step 1, render a button inside the card. Add a button labeled Details inside the CardDetail component. This places the button visually inside the card, letting CSS handle placement easily. Make sure to add a new prop like on Details click to CardDetail. Step 2, pass a callback from CardList to CardDetail. In the CardList component, define a function to handle the Details button click. Pass this handler down to each card. Step 3, render the modal in the parent. Keep DetailModal in CardList and control its visibility via modal open state. Benefits of this approach. Separation of concerns, card handles display and button, CardList handles modal logic. CSS friendly, button is nested inside the card's DOM, so positioning works naturally. Maintainability, modal logic is centralized, easy to manage state. Summary. Render the Details button inside the CardDetail component for proper visual positioning. Use a callback function passed from CardList to CardDetail to notify when the button is clicked. Manage modal open/close state in CardList, passing appropriate data into DetailModal. This pattern leverages React's data flow to solve DOM positioning challenges cleanly while keeping modal logic centralized.